Hey guys, so today I'm gonna stay this yacht for 24 hours in Brookhaven. Not in 24 hours in real life, but only here for a day. So it's almost night and I'm gonna go back at my house like I don't know what time is it, but I'm gonna stay here for a day for 24 hours in Brookhaven, not in real life, but only in Brookhaven. So here I'm gonna play. So this is my last outfit on my last video, guys. So I didn't introduce myself. So before I start this video, please subscribe, like, and turn notification bell if you want to be notified all the time, guys. And comment down below your username, guys, if you want to get free pets and pets. Like not only one, not only two, but only three. Oh, what did you say? So yeah, guys, if you're new to my channel, just please subscribe, like, and turn notification bell if you want to be notified all the time. So guys, my last video I had this fishing rod, or you can fishing around here at the yacht. I'm kind of bored here, so I'm gonna dress up. I'm gonna change my clothes, guys. So I'm gonna change my clothes. I'll have this. Yeah, I look gorgeous now. So here, I'm gonna stay over here for 24 hours, and yeah, I'm gonna stay here for 24 hours in this yacht. Enrico Blanca Joel has joined the server. It's Oliver account, but we created that, so it's my siblings joining me. I'm gonna choose this here. I think it's just beautiful. Yeah, I look gorgeous. I don't know, but yeah, that's all, guys. So I'm gonna wait. It's almost dinner. Yeah, so I'm gonna get some food at the kitchen area. I'm gonna cook while I'm going upstairs. I should close. So guys, over here is the kitchen area. I don't know why they put the kitchen area here. So yeah, that's gonna cook. I'm just pretending I'm cooking, but yeah, I'm really cooking. I'm gonna prepare my inventory, guys. So I'm gonna cook. So I clapping there. I'm gonna cook and cooking. So I'm done cooking, guys. So yeah, done. So let's get out. Even it's not, yeah, I know. Even it's not real because you cannot cook here. No. So let's prepare this for dinner. This is my dinner. I love it. This is my drink. Wait, I'm gonna get a picture. Oh, I love this. So this is my drink now. You can get it from your inventory, guys. So here I'm gonna stay over here for 24 hours. So I'm gonna prepare my food. I'm gonna put it here. You can put this plate or yeah. So okay, gonna eat. So I eat like this. I said okay. I'm gonna put something. Eat. So I said okay. So I eat here and I'm gonna stay here and I'm gonna come back to my house like over I don't know how much. 2, 3, 4, 6. At 1 o'clock 1 p.m. at the so I'm done, guys. So I said yum yum, that was delicious. I always like that. So at yum yum, that was delicious. Delicious. So you're gonna first pick up here, yeah, like that. I'm gonna drink my my milkshake. It's delicious. Just gonna here. Let's go. And I'm gonna go here because I'm gonna sleep now, guys. That's my routine. So I'm gonna shower. Oh god, I show you the secret hidden room. So yeah, here. Why I can't shower? How can I? Oh, okay. Why there's no sounds here? Let's watch my settings, guys. And I don't know why there's no sounds. Is this full? I don't know what happened. It's okay. I'm gonna like I'll do an equip post, but I'm gonna go shower. Showering, showering, na na na. So I'm gonna not toothbrush, not toothbrush. This is called toothbrush, guys. And I toothbrushing, and my toothbrush. So here I'm gonna what? So I'm gonna change my clothes. I didn't change my clothes at
Can
first.
I see it? What are you doing? Are you in the yacht?
No,
Where are you?
just I know.
Can I see?
No, you can go. Okay, bye.
Wait, please.
So I'm the yacht. Okay. Yes. Alright.
Are you in the yacht?
Yeah. So
No.
I'm in my pajamas now, guys. I'm gonna brush my hair so it will look gorgeous. I know that they're telling you no because they joined my server. I know that's why I didn't tell them. Oh my god, where did that go? I'm gonna brush my hair. It's so gentle. Oh, it's invisible. So there, I'm gonna done. I'm gonna go to sleep. I'm gonna go sleep here. So let's change my face, guys. I always do that. I forgot. I lost my face. Let's change my face, guys. Here. So there, I'm gonna sleep. I'm gonna just pretend like. So here, I'm sleeping. What's that? Oh, I have vlog. Wait, guys. Guys, I'm just pretending. I know it's them. Hello. Oh, I'm sleeping and that's okay. Let's ignore them, guys. I know it's my sister, my brother. I know that. So, guys, I know it's them, but I'm gonna keep it secret. Let's ignore them, guys. So let's press someone. No, wait, they cannot see it. Ignore them. And I'm not, private thing, but only I'm just private talking to you, but I don't know how. But yeah, this is my only way. You can see it, guys. So okay. So like, are you? Oh my God, guys. Is this like like a beggar? So guys, I'm just sleeping here, guys. So here, so guys, have a sleep dream. So it's almost in the morning, guys. It's already a.m. and yeah. So I'm just gonna like, pretend. So here, guys, I'm gonna go to see the bathroom. Yeah, you know that. So I hope there's no a ghost here, guys. I'm gonna go to the. Yeah, I'm gonna pee. I'm gonna, go to the restroom. Okay, done. I'm done. Let's go back in the. Oh my god, guys. So I'm gonna have a strange dream, but let's go. Let's go to sleep, and I wish I have a best dream ever. So there, let's change my avatar. So guys, I hope I have a sweet dream. So guys, I hope I have a sweet dream. So guys, oh, it's already morning, guys, and I'm gonna wake up this morning. My face is still here. I'm gonna remove this. I'm gonna go to my another face. What face I'm gonna wear here? I love this. There on face. Yeah. So we can. I want that what it called. I want the core blocks or that headless because that's my dream, guys. You know that, but edit up robots enough. And down shadow ring. So come, let's I take it away. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna make a part two because it's almost done. I'm gonna make a part two this, but yeah. So let's wear this white outfit. Love it. Got it done. Baby. The person. No, that's wrong. So I'm gonna wear this. Is beautiful. They look gorgeous. So here, guys, I'm gonna find a perfect outfit for that. So before I end it, so I'm gonna do a part two, guys, and before we end, and I'm gonna make a part two. So please subscribe, like, and turn notification bell if you want to be notified all the time. And comment down below your username. Bye, guys.